Pronunciation of the letter U. To pronounce this sound, you need to round your lips and stick them out. You need to lift the center of the tongue and push it a bit forward. U. The English sound system doesn't have an exact equivalent of this sound, but the closest sound can be found in the word new. It is important to distinguish between the sound U and U. When you pronounce U, you round your lips very closely and the back of the tongue is lifted. When you pronounce U, you don't have to round your lips as tightly, and you lift the center of the tongue and push it a little forward. Sound U feels more frontal in that sense. It is important to pronounce these sounds correctly because some words will have different meanings. Compare the words do and do. Sound U can be long and short. Let's practice long sound U.
Jul, jul, gul, gul, sur, sur, tilbud, tilbud, natur, natur, bruke, bruke, kul, kul.
Now let's practice short U.
Munn, munn, frukt, frukt, full, full, ull, ull, gruppe, gruppe,
Sometimes we pronounce U as U when it is a short sound. This happens often when U is before KS, KK, NG, or M. This means that you don't always have to force yourself to pronounce U.
bukser, bukser, sukker, sukker, juks, juks, dum, dum, munk, munk, nummer, nummer, tung, tung.
Note that we also pronounce lunch with Ö sound.